Hurricane Douglas continued to strengthen over the daytime. NHC has upgraded it to Category 4 status. From my analysis, it is now 235 km per hour and a pressure of 937 hectopascals as analysis. It is moving WNW at 31 km per hour and located at 15.0 and 138.7 W. The eye is very clear and the wind field will be larger when the eye wall replacement cycle occurs. The storm will arrive in next 2 to 3 days. There are 1,745 kilometers from Hilo, 1,900 from Maui, 2,000 from Molokai, 2,070 from Honolulu and 2,265 from Kauai. Sea surface temperature is going to drop but still favorable now, which is 27 degrees. Vertical wind shear is favorable, which is about 10 knots. There are 33% for Hilo to experience gale wind, 38% in Maui, 32% in Molokai, 19% in Honolulu and 15% in Kauai. The intensity has peaked or will peak within 6 hours. Vertical wind shear will remain for a day then increase. Sea surface temperature is dropping rapidly, that will be unfavorable soon. Humidity is about 60% and will start to decrease tomorrow. Here is what the satellite imagery showing about. It is a well-organized hurricane that has a very clear circular eye. Since it will be moving over cooler sea surface temperature, it will have likely reached its peak intensity. Forecast that it will be going to weaken gradually in a short time and will landfall with hurricane strength. Therefore, who live in the Hawaiian Islands ought to pay attention to this storm. Finally, thank you for watching this video.